Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY that I came up with a while ago by using a few spares that I came across that I thought I could use to customize a Deadpool action figure I've had lying around for a while. And I'm going to show you how to use something that you thought was of no use into something unique. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, today I'm going to be working with the 6-inch black and black variation of Deadpool manufactured by Marvel Legends. Well, I had this guy sitting around for a while, and just as I was sorting out my toy bin of spares the other day, I came across a few things that got the wheels spinning in my head, which led me to make this video for you. Well, today I'm going to show you how to use things that you thought were nothing and use them to make something unique and beautiful. Today, I'm going to use this Deadpool action figure and convert him into a unique, one-of-a-kind action figure. And if you want more information on this action figure, I did an exclusive video not too long ago, and I'll drop the link in the description below in case you are interested. So go check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Well, stay tuned to the end and check out this one-of-a-kind action figure. So with no further ado, let's get this started. And I should admit that this turned out way better than what I expected. And I'm happy to add this unique Deadpool action figure to my collection, and I'm going to call this guy Deadpool Merc Angel. And please do let me know in the comments below as to what you think about this DIY project. And with that out of the way, let's place this one-of-a-kind Deadpool action figure on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on Deadpool coming up. Deadpool is a 2016 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. Distributed by 20th Century Fox, it is the 8th film in the X-Men film series. Wade Wilson is a dishonorably discharged Special Forces operative working as a mercenary when he meets Vanessa. They become romantically involved, and a year later she accepts his marriage proposal. Wilson is diagnosed with terminal cancer and leaves Vanessa without warning, so she will not have to watch him die. In the film, Wade Wilson hunts the man who gave him his mutant abilities and a scarred physical appearance, becoming the beloved anti-hero Deadpool. And for further information on Deadpool, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Deadpool action figure, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this Deadpool action figure DIY project. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by liking and sharing our videos. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this DIY episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.